This is Jeff with Parker Wholesale Cars in Tallassee. Let's talk about the finest four-door sedan on the road for the money. Check out this 2023 Nissan Altima SV with the premium package. It's just like new, it's got low miles, and it's loaded with everything. Around back, rear park assist sensors, chrome rear bumper protector, backup camera, really cool rear spoiler. Gorgeous 17-inch alloy wheels with a great set of Continental tires. Plenty of room for your rear seat passengers. They also have the convenience of dual USB charging ports, one of which is the new high-speed USB-C located in the back of the center console. It's pearl white tri-coat with charcoal interior. Tinted windows, chrome door handles, color keyed mirror caps. LED daytime running lights, projector beam headlights, forward collision sensor integrated right into the grille. It's equipped with passive keyless entry. Factory power moonroof, bucket seats, power seat, embroidered floor mats, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, blind spot warning that also comes with rear cross traffic alert. Tilt and telescopic steering wheel. In the wheel, audio controls, trip computer functions, Bluetooth, and intelligent cruise control. Only 16,000 well cared for miles. Touchscreen radio, AM, FM, XM satellite, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. Backup camera. Dual zone climate control. Heated seats, driver and passenger. More USB ports, a 12-volt outlet, factory wireless inductive cell phone charging, console shifter, keyless entry including remote start, Carfax vehicle history report, and those moonroof controls overhead. If you'd like to know more about this 2023 Nissan Altima SV Premium, please give us a call, 334-283-6823. It's time you experience the Parker difference. Thanks for watching.